How to read old chats on Instagram without scrolling. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily read the old chats from your Instagram without scrolling. So first thing first, simply head over to your Instagram application, and inside any of your chat, as you can see, I cannot simply scroll down from here like this. It doesn't work. So let me show you how you do it. So first thing first, simply make sure you have downloaded this application in your Android. If you are using Android, if you are using iPhone, you don't have to install any third-party application. So simply once you install it, click on open, and you can simply skip it from here. You can turn on. To turn it on, you have to give it some specific requirement. You simply head over there, and once you get to tab scroll, simply enable it and allow everything. Once you do it, click back, and once you come back, you can simply turn it on like this. As you can see, you can also read the manual here. So after that, as you can see, it has been turned on, which means it's enabled now. So let me just show you from my Instagram application here. As you can see, you can tap on the top right corner like this, and you can see it's auto scrolled like this over and over again. You don't have to keep scrolling like that. So that is it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.